All right, YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little concrete site prep for this customer, tearing out an old concrete sidewalk. There it is right there, and then you see all that dirt mounded up next to it. That was some new sewer work the customer had, and just trying to get that leveled out for him. You see the new sewer cap down there on the left-hand side, and then to the left of these stairs, I'm going to excavate that soil out about 6 to 8 inches and put some number 53 stone in there, as well as where that new sidewalk's going to go. And this overgrown weedy fence is all going to come out with all that honeysuckle and mulberry trees growing through it. I'm going to yank all that out of there as well. So I'm going to get started here. Now on this chain link fence, I just go through and cut it at the bottom, at the top, rather than taking all the mesh off. And then I come back through it with my mini skid steer and basically just fold it up all on itself. And you're not dealing with a bunch of, really long pipes or anything. And it, as you see there, it just crumples up, goes into a big pile. And there's so much junk in there anyways, trees and brush and weeds. It's not really worth trying to save. And here you go, I'm getting that concrete out. Like I said, this concrete sidewalks coming out, and then you'll see a little grading work, and I'm going to actually dig out this path for the new concrete coming in here. And obviously I'm not putting the new stuff in, but going to get it prepped for it. Alright, well this job's almost complete. I did make one little mistake at the end here though. When I first discussed this sidewalk and the direction it was going to go with the customer, he had said just to go around that sewer cleanout that I pointed out earlier. But he had just come out there to look at the location of it and said, "Hey, you didn't put that in the right spot." And I looked at it and he says I wanted that lined up with the garage door. As you can see there, it's a little bit off to the right. And I said, "Oh, no big deal." Started digging it out and cutting the new sidewalk path. I came back to this job a few weeks later and I finished up the grading around the new concrete and put seed and straw down. This video may seem incomplete because unfortunately I damaged my camera and SD card not too long after I did this final grade around the concrete. So hopefully I can get that recovered soon, that information and data on that card, and get that second video out here and get a part 2. You can see the finished results of this job. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it and have a good day.